In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best portable workbench you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best portable workbench in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench. Heavy-duty capacity. With a 550-pound weight capacity, the WM425-A can handle substantial loads, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. One-handed clamp system. The integrated clamp system allows for easy securing of materials with one hand, enhancing convenience during projects. Folding design. Its folding mechanism enables easy storage and portability, ideal for users with limited space. Dual height adjustment. The workbench features dual height adjustments, accommodating different project requirements and user preferences. Versatile applications. Whether it's for woodworking, home repairs, or crafting, this workbench serves as a reliable base for various activities. Users have praised the WM425-A for its versatility and portability. One user noted, "The Workmate 425 is a versatile and portable workbench that excels in providing a stable surface for various DIY projects." Another user highlighted its utility in woodworking tasks, stating, "These are surprisingly capable units. They aren't solid enough for some hand tool work like planing, but you can get a lot done with one of these." The BLACK+DECKER WM425-A Portable Workbench is a compact yet robust solution for woodworking and general DIY projects. Designed to support up to 550 pounds, this folding workbench offers a stable platform for various tasks, from sawing and sanding to assembly and painting. Our second best portable workbench is Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Portable Workbench. Dual functionality. The Pegasus seamlessly transitions between a work table and a sawhorse. As a workbench, it supports up to 300 pounds, and as a sawhorse, it can handle up to 1,000 pounds, accommodating various project needs. Compact and portable. With dimensions of 31 inches wide by 25 inches deep by 32 inches high and a lightweight design, the Pegasus is easy to fold and carry, making it suitable for on-the-go tasks. Integrated clamping system. The workbench includes 2 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, providing secure holding for materials of different shapes and sizes. Expandable surface. For larger projects, multiple Pegasus tables can be linked together, offering an extended workspace. Durable construction. Made from molded ABS with steel supports, the Pegasus is built to withstand the demands of various tasks. The Worx Pegasus WX051 offers a practical solution for those seeking a versatile and portable work surface. While it may have some limitations regarding clamping strength and surface flatness, its dual functionality, portability, and durability make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether you're tackling woodworking projects, repairs, or other DIY endeavors, the Pegasus provides a reliable foundation to support your work. Third pick in our list is Keter Folding Portable Workbench. The Keter Folding Work Table is a reliable and practical solution for those seeking a portable and sturdy work surface. Its combination of heavy-duty capacity, portability, and integrated features make it a valuable addition to any toolkit. While it may have some limitations, its overall performance and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for various projects. Heavy-duty capacity. The workbench boasts a 1,000-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking to home improvement projects. Portable design. Its folding mechanism allows for easy storage and transportation, making it ideal for those with limited workspace or for use on the go. Integrated clamps. The included 12-inch clamps facilitate secure material holding, enhancing safety and precision during work. Durable construction. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and supported by aluminum legs, the workbench is built to withstand various environmental conditions without rusting or peeling. Additional storage. The lower shelf provides extra space for tools and materials, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. The Keter folding work table, model 1718239, is a versatile and portable workbench designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals alike. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly features, it has garnered positive reviews for its performance and convenience. Number 4 in our side is Vivore Folding Work Table Workbench. The Vivore Folding Work Table, Model YHWB050, is a robust and adaptable tool designed for both amateur and professional use. Serving as a sawhorse and a workbench, it offers a practical solution for various tasks, from woodworking to general DIY projects. Dual functionality. This work table easily transitions between a sawhorse and a workbench, providing flexibility for different project needs. Impressive load capacity. With a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms, it can support heavy materials and tools, ensuring stability during use. Adjustable heights. The table offers 7 height settings ranging from 23.6 inches to 36.2 inches, 60 to 80 centimeters, 92 centimeters, accommodating various working positions and tasks. Durable construction. Built with a 0.7-inch 18mm MDF tabletop and Q195 steel legs, it ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. Portable design, weighing 34.8 pounds, 15.8 kilograms, and featuring a foldable structure, it is easy to store and transport, making it ideal for workshops with limited space. Additional accessories. The table includes 2 wood clamps, 4 bench dogs, 2 hooks, and 3 toolboxes, enhancing its functionality and convenience. Another user highlighted its practicality, stating, "Great table when you need another set of hands, folds for storage, can raise the height where you need it." Last in our best portable workbench list is WorkPro 48-inch adjustable workbench. Customers have praised the workbench for its sturdiness and ease of assembly. One user noted, "I am impressed with the sturdiness of the bench and it is well made. Assembly was easy and I am pleased with it." Another highlighted its versatility, stating, "It can be used for multiple purposes, nice looking top, and can blend in with your decor, or it can be used in your garage or storage room." Sturdy construction. The workbench features a 1.3mm thick steel frame paired with a 1 to 3/16" thick rubber wood top, ensuring a stable and durable surface for various tasks. Adjustable height. With a height range from 31.5 inches to 39.4 inches, users can customize the bench to their preferred working level, promoting ergonomic comfort during extended use. Integrated power strip. Equipped with an ETL-certified power strip that includes 4 AC outlets and 2 USB-A ports. This feature allows for convenient access to power tools and devices directly from the workstation. Sustainable materials. The rubber wood top is FSC certified, reflecting a commitment to environmentally responsible sourcing.